Okay, just a few more feet. Find a good picture. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Hope we don't see any bears. Better be on the lookout. Well, don't run. You seem like you're running. Thought you said this would lead us to trouble. Thought you said this trail was leading us to trouble. So now we're running away from trouble? Back to civilization? We don't want to hibernate. We want nature. We're going to make a fire? And some s'mores? Cook a steak? What is your job exactly? I want you. Okay, if you watch for bears. Can you believe we saw 3 bears today?
Yeah, I know.
Mama bear and 2 babies.
You're video camera, not me.
Yes, I am.
Oh, come on.